Qinhuangdao STARRY Special Vehicle Machinery Company is one high-technology enterprise in China, which is expert in road maintenance and municipal work for more than 30 years. STARRY is located at Lulong Industrial Park, Qinhuangdao, China. Plant area of over 60,000 square meters. Registered capitals 58 million RMB, 158 employees, and 40 professionals. STARRY has Special Vehicle Production Certificate of China National Development and Reform Commission. Also passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certificate and passed CCC Certificate. STARRY has attended several Bauma International Machinery exhibitions many times since 2008 in Shanghai. Several smart special vehicles have been approved by many customers in exhibitions. STARRY has got rich experiences in road maintenance trucks and municipal work trucks, depending on its smart special vehicle technical research center. STARRY supply over 40 different kinds of road maintenance and municipal work trucks to customers. There are 9 series of products of STARRY road maintenance, which are macro surfacing, binder spraying, chip seal, cut seal, no resurfacing, road patcher, asphalt carriage, asphalt recycle, asphalt plow, etc. Every series products, especially with intelligence control, which is preferred selection in Industrial 4.0 era. There are 6 series of products of STARRY municipal work trucks, including sower, garbage, aerial platform, snow removal, road sweeper, road wrecker, etc. Municipal trucks are more important products, the same as road maintenance trucks for customers and for us. In order to respond to the development chain of new road maintenance processing, and there are 9 series of products of technology. STARRY innovates and develops several new products every year. On 2016 Shanghai Bauma exhibition, STARRY has launched 3 new kinds of trucks, including cold seal truck, fiber synchronous chip sealer, no resurfacing truck. After more than 30 years of professional exploration and accumulation, STARRY has been expert in the field of road maintenance and municipal work trucks and formed 7 unique technological advantages in smart products. STARRY has become a well-known brand in China along with its full product lines and good customer service and training. STARRY has been favored by domestic and foreign customers. STARRY products are not only sold to various regions of China, but also exported to the worldwide, such as Russia, Algeria, Cote d'Ivoire, Kazakhstan, and other countries, and have been received the customers' deeply high praise and quality. STARRY has decades experience in developing road maintenance trucks and municipal work trucks. STARRY has always sustained professional and quality products to customers. STARRY also has always expected to deep cooperation with each customer